guys, welcome. Lunar New Year. Now, this is a spectacular time. You're starting to see unity without. And I'm sure many of you have heard the truckers movement and the truckers coming together from North America to bring back freedom and uniting. And it was so incredible to see messages from Egypt, messages from Trinidad and Tobago, you know, saying we support you, we see you, we support you. And the unity, and it's unity convoys, okay? And this is something that was started in Canada and is lit like wildfire. And it's beautiful. It's beautiful to see the balance to what has been created with this pandemic. It's a beautiful thing. Now, we're going from the year of the ox to the year of the Blackwater tiger. And I feel called to I think we should get some information of the tiger, okay? Guys, and I went straight to the page too, but it's not in the right language, okay? So, I'm not reading that one. Let's get to the right language here. The tiger. Hard on the outside, but soft on the inside. Keywords: fast, agile, strong, majestic, brave, righteous, tender-hearted. The tiger is also called the big cat in China and considered as the king of the jungle. This majestic, strengthful, independent, and fearless giant actually is as agile and nimble as a real cat. And beneath the tiger's tough exterior is his sensitive, soft side. The water and the spirit inside are the very reflection of the tiger's inner self. So look at that, guys. We've restored balance with the inner self. And there is the energy of the opposites coming together right there too. He has a tough exterior, but his inside is sensitive and soft. And I love how this all comes together. I was having a completion of my healing and realizing that, you know, becoming the alchemist, mastering alchemy and energy and shape-shifting and what we're doing here, and realizing that I could be both things. That so many times I had either been soft and vulnerable or strong, you know, independent, rough around the edges. You know, just the energy of the opposites, but in the extremes, not with the balance through the center point. And that I realized in that moment in time as I was completing this healing process that I could be both things at the same time through the center point. And I restored some personal power back for myself in this part of this healing expansion and the journey and the time we're in, knowing that we're connected, we're doing this together. And this was extremely powerful and extremely healing. And you can really feel that this is going to be the year of massive change. Because of what has just happened, you know, leading up to this year. There's been so much illumination, mass awakenings, humanity's collective shadow becoming illuminated so that we can put the light on it, shed the light on it, and expand. So those were our yin meetings, okay? Now we're gonna go to yang. Fast, brave, righteous, caring for the weak. This is our positive charge, okay, guys? Active meanings: confront difficulties, quick accomplishments, going straight to the goal. Action meanings: persevere and stick with your true self. And this is what we're learning and have been learning how to do, how to persevere and stick with our true self. Yin meanings, the negative, okay? Reckless, radical, irritable, overbearing, which I feel like is so much of what we've been healing with the masculine. Understanding, guys, that's the energy, and we all have masculine and feminine within us. Passive meanings, working with others, embracing failure, controlling emotions. Understanding meanings, seizing up the situation, being forgiving. And guys, there's a massive connection to the completion of the Two of Cups and things, you know, being in a completion stage, but still needing to add the elements, the ingredient of forgiveness. And, you know, in many readings past here, when we've had our Lunar New Year readings, we've discussed what the Lunar New Year is. And, you know, there's celebrations, cleaning, symbolism for the dragon. And we are working with the moon dragon right now, guys, and we are in a stage of completion. And this is why we went within the lower world to elevate. Remember, there's nutrients in the soil. There's nutrients in the lower world, and that's why we've had to heal with our connection to the underworld. And understanding that was a trick that was, you know, put on our people for us to scare us away from life and how life works here. And we came here to remove fear. And we came here to heal, you know, this artificial hack and restore what is meant to be, the truth. Now, there's a few channeled messages I want to share, and then we're going to get to our next part, okay, guys? Official channeled messages. I'm not going to try to make this too long, and then we're going to expand off that. This has to do with the Six of Pentacles, restoration of balance through the earth. And the Six of Pentacles is our connection to the rainbow people and the activation, the further activation of the rainbow people, the healers of this world, the people that came here to heal with life and the light. And understanding we're also healing with the programming of the dark and to fear the dark. And to understand that the evils of this world that are attacking life is not the darkness of this world that is attacking life. Because we've been tricked there. Dark is a part of this world as much as the light is, night and day. Feminine, masculine. Rejuvenation, expansion. We're clearing up the hack. Okay? The hacks. And this is connected to our light body. We're expanding with our light body. We're further expanding with our light body. Why? Because we've healed with our pain body. And knowing that our pain body and our light body are connected. And what are we expanding with? Fire. The father. The masculine. Because as we have a completion with this Two of Cups, we're having a completion with healing with the masculine. And it's connected to higher realms and magic. The elevation. And this is connected to the sacred union, partnerships, and romance. But understanding we've healed from codependency, we've healed from lust, we've healed from the victim templates of this world in order to create balance anew. And this partnership, we've honored the place that this partnership has within this world. We've restored the balance. We're working with the Swan Queen, transformation, intuition, and patience. And much patience is cultivated with this. Much patience, okay, guys, for this. And the Ringmaster of Scrutiny, discernment, clear vision, and details. Remember, this has to do with a completion with the masculine. And the Spirit Whisperer, divine guidance and higher knowing. And this divine guidance and higher knowing, this is connected to this. You can't have this without this. And the Lady of the Mirror, reflection and non-judgment. This is our divine counterpart. And being able to create anew. Look, the Fool is creating anew. She has a paintbrush in her hand. She doesn't have a pen. She has a paintbrush. And this is connected. It's like we're taking this energy and we're creating anew with it. This is building the new world. With the Ace of Wands. And it's connected to a key. And it's connected to a key we're going to share in channeled messages. So, the Ace of Wands working with the Father is connected to the Earth, the Five of Pentacles. And that's activating the Empress, the Mother, the Feminine. And guys, I have some cards I was called not to look at till right now, so we're going to receive them together. But it is connected to completion, a completion with the world, a completion to coming together through expanding and healing with our chakras, our working with our Kundalini and our electromagnetic field. We've gone from fear to love. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, the Seven of Swords. We're healing from the Seven of Swords. Inner child healing. The Moon illuminates inner child healing. The inner child is speaking. Remember, this is clearing up the hack of the element of air. That hack is connected to the Seven of Swords. So this has to do with purification with the children, the inner child's innocence. And that is connected to this. And why we give back with the Six of Pentacles to the earth. All right, what's our next? Yeah, the Five of Swords. So the Seven of Swords, we need to heal from the Five of Swords. This is what's, what the inner child is saying. This is why it's being illuminated within the mind. We're clearing up this hack within the mind. This is why we're working with Aquarius. And we expand with the Page of Swords, with Christ consciousness, with the light. And we are the bridge from the old world to the new world. This is us coming together. Guys, more messages to show we're coming together. And this is the blue moon. Working with Mercury and Venus. Scepter, our gifts. This is where we expand and raise our elevation with our gifts. Ishtar, we're working with Pisces, and we know Pisces season is next. And Demeter, so Virgo and Pisces coming together. The water, the mother, and the daughter, the earth, coming together to help us to expand through the earth. This is where we blossom like a flower. But we have to honor the transformation. Look, from the serpent to the lion. Now, we have the new moon in Aquarius right now. And then we're going to be having a full moon in Leo. There's a connection here. A big connection. And a completion. We're wrapping something up, guys. And it's connected to the Two of Cups and the masculine. All right, come on over here. Let's expand off this a little bit further with channel messages, and then we'll expand off that, guys.